Took a guess at the rear brake, man. That's like all the experience I got with bikes for the most part. Everything else has just been buy it from the dealer, ride it, take it to the dealer when something happens. These are more like project bikes, but I've never had a dirt bike. I was raised pretty poor. But anyway, sidetracking here. These are the Lifan titanium foot assemblies. I went as low as I could and as far back as I could. Still need to figure out something to hold the can, which ain't gonna be too much of an issue. But this is the angle that I found, and hoping I connected it right. I might even get like a little spring for down here. I'm guessing. But be careful of these bolts. Very small, but once you get them in the right guide that you want, just Loctite them, and this whole assembly essentially holds all this together. It's pretty tight on there, but that's how it looks. Do I just cut those off? I can't even get the shifter under there, that shifter, until I cut this, or I take off the whole thing and figure out a different kickstand. So open to suggestions. Sorry for my video inexperience here. So this is how it fits with me on it. Chobo. But then this would be the new versus this. So you got this, now this. Knee fits right in here. I mean, it feels more solid. Maybe it's just because of the angle. And the other side, same way. This is my XB. If I want to know what kind of car I ride, drive, whatever. One of those days. This can take a drop-in turbo or a drop-in supercharger, as it has the mounts. Boom, 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 boom. But I haven't really been messing with this, because why drive that when you could drive these? Alright, man. I'm out.